everyone. So I'm at Wicked Ride to pick the bike. So I'm gonna ride a Versys 650 this time for IBW. The bike is ready and I'm gonna pick the bike in a while. Good morning everyone, and I'm heading to Goa for IBW 2017. It's not the early of the start that I normally do. It's been a little late, but then that's okay. I'm on a bigger bike this time. I was in Goa last week for Royal Enfield Rider Mania, and it's just been 2 days in Bangalore, and again I'm heading back to Goa. It's been 300 kilometers since I started my journey, and I'm feeling hungry now, and I'm looking for some good resto to stop and have my breakfast. Riding for about 2 hours 50 minutes. I've taken my first break. So I've clocked in about 368 kilometers and stopping at a place called New Delhi Dhaba. So it's 10 o'clock. I started my ride at around 7:10, and yeah, taking my first break. So I'm riding a Versys this time. Yeah, that's the bike. Had a super breakfast and I'm back in track now. So spent about 30 minutes there having my breakfast, and just it's so amazing that when you're just standing out and you see all these big bikers going passing by, everybody have their own discipline lane, everybody is suited up or geared up the way they should be, and safety is a priority for all of these. I just love when I see such bikers. I'm in Belgaum, and that's Belgaum College, KLS Public School and College. I think the college just left off, and you can see all the students out. So I take this route normally when I go to Goa, Mysore Ghat. And yeah, last time I did that was last Thursday. Last Friday, apparently, not Thursday. It's Ghat section, guys. I just love this Ghat. Every time I've been here, it's a different experience. This Ghat really tests each biker's skill. It's got some really good curves, bends, and some serious blind curves. This Ghat never disappoints me. Every time I've come here, I've enjoyed it. Hi guys, so finally we are at IBW, and what I'm gonna do in IBW is collab with a couple of vloggers, and I have one of such vlogger with me. He sounds a little weirdo though. I mean, that's what's the channel name. I don't know, how do you take those guys, yeah? So he's known as Psycho, yeah. And I'm gonna get him right in there.
What's up?
That's my man who's Psycho.
Yes.
Can you tell how do you spell it?
It's basically not the one, the conventional one, PSYC. So it is CYCO space OCYC, Psycho OCYC, yes.
Why Psycho?
Basically, I started riding with the RX 100. So, and the way I used to ride on the streets, so people called me not from Psycho, that's my original name. So they gave me, you should not be called Psycho, you should be called Psycho.
Okay.
So that's how it turned out to be. And more than my friend, my girlfriend took it across, and she made me a badge, and my ex-girlfriend.
Guys,
Yeah.
ex-girlfriend is single.
All stickers and all, she did it, and I didn't feel it that point of time. And then later I was like, okay, this actually good. So,
So tell me something about your channel. What do you do in your channel?
So my channel is not basically very much focused into biking, but yes, 60% into biking and regular, what I do and what not I do with bikes and what.
You need to check out. He's a music artist as well. He
Yes,
sings, guys.
I was coming into that. So
Yeah.
apart than that, I not a very good, but then professional violinist. So where I do a lot of covers and all.
I never knew. I knew a professional violinist. What did you say that? Violinist.
Violinist.
Violinist. Yeah. So
I
yeah,
do a lot
guys.
of covers, guitars as well. So yeah, it's a mix and match of all the things together. So I hope it's exciting. Yeah?
So me and Psycho or Cycles, we're gonna have a loads of fun at IBW. You're gonna see a lot of fun activities. We're gonna cover the entire event.
Yeah, 2 days
And
event.
it's 2 days. It's day one today. It's 4:10. People have started coming in. The event has just started, and you'll see a lot of madness
And
that
we
we're
met,
gonna do.
We met Freddie Spencer, and we
Yes.
met the fastest woman on earth. I forgot her name.
Let's see. No,
The
that's-
fastest woman on earth on IBW
So
2017.
yeah, so guys, you'll also get a small 2-minute video interview with Freddie, which I've done. So I'm gonna post it, and guys, you gotta go check out Psycho's videos. That's in the description below. Please go check and do comment what you think about him. Looking forward for it, guys. We are at the parking, and then there's some crazy machines, and I'm sure you would recognize a lot of these bikes. Himalayan, and that's the Tadaka which was there at the Royal Enfield Ridermania. And we have got the MT10. Yeah?
MT10.
Psycho, please introduce the MT10.
MT10 is the Yamaha's that point of time most unleashed bike they can ever make. You know, for the road going bike, and you know everybody was crazy about it that point of time. But then now we got the MT0, MT10 again, which is looks like a transformer, right? But this has its own legacy. A V-twin from Yamaha. That was like the best that point of time. Superb.
So you get to see a lot of varieties of bikes, some real good customs.
RSV4
RSV4 boys.
and the mighty Himalayan.
I'm keen to see if there's any tuno here, the naked version of RSV4. Not sure if we can find one. So you have that chief here, Indian chief, all the way from Delhi. A lot of tigers. Lot of ninjas around. So you have the Yosong here, Arkia.
Look at the decal on that one, the KTM. Actually, they like the Moto GP bike. Very nice. Very nice.
If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share the video and also subscribe to my channel.